Come on, girls.
Business owners take pride in providing you with small-town friendliness and small-town service. If there's anything we can If this is your first visit to our friendly city, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you with big Harryhausen.
Atención visitantes, para su propia seguridad durante el paseo, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y colas dentro del taxi y vigilen a sus hijos. Gracias.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, goodly
When this human child throws me with his young happiness, you made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me from the giant head.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
Horrible.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got most doors set up on the scare floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
I'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Oh, no, it's Lemon.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
careful and thorough observation of the perimeter. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2313 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately
What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching. beautiful. That's right, nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go.